This is Laura. Laura has a textured ceiling with some damage which needs repairing. How do you feel about tackling this job, Laura?
I'm a bit nervous, to be honest.
But are you willing to give it a go?
Yeah, I'll give it a go.
For this job, you'll need protective gloves. UCAN textured wall and ceiling repair, a plastic bag, measuring jug, pair of protective goggles, large paintbrush and a protective mask. UCAN textured wall and ceiling repair comes with all the tools you'll need to complete the job. 1.5 kg sachet of texture filler, texturing brush and mixing tool. First, make sure the area is clean, dry and free from flaking texture. For gloss surfaces, lightly sand to improve adhesion. Start by emptying 1 sachet of filler into 750 ml of clean water. Stir well until you achieve a thick paste. Allow to stand for 10 minutes before remixing to a smooth paste. This consistency is ideal for filling small cracks and repairing damage to joints. For broken leather or swirl patterns, stir in a further 100 ml of water. You can create a number of different patterns with UCAN texture, such as broken leather, stipple and swirl. Let's show you how. To create the broken leather pattern, mix the texture to the consistency of double cream. Cover the texture brush with a thick plastic bag and apply the mixture with a large emulsion paintbrush. Twist the brush left and right whilst lightly bouncing over the covered surface. To keep the pattern random, avoid working in straight lines. To create the stipple pattern, mix the texture to the consistency of single cream. Bounce the texturing brush on the covered surface, bringing it away cleanly. Turn the brush slightly after each dab to avoid box marks. If the brush gets clogged up, shake off the excess material. To create the swirl pattern, mix the texture to the consistency of double cream. Using a large emulsion brush, apply the texture to the area. Lightly place the texturing brush on the covered surface. Then spin the brush by at least 180 degrees and pull away cleanly. Remember, always clean splashes as you go. Leave it to dry for at least 24 hours, making sure the room temperature is above 5 degrees Celsius and there's good ventilation. All it needs now is a fresh lick of paint. Remember to follow the swirl with your brush to get the best results. Always ensure product is dry before decorating and follow the paint manufacturer's instructions for painting of porous surfaces. Don't say you can't, say you can.